Hey everyone, Tony Restell here. Are you still treating LinkedIn like an online CV database with a messaging function bolted on? If you are, that's exactly why you aren't seeing it produce new client wins. Today, I'm revealing how to actually get Headhunter clients on LinkedIn by turning your daily visibility into real high-value sales conversations. Let's dive right in. The first major mistake I see headhunters make is adopting broad positioning. Saying we recruit across multiple sectors just doesn't cut it anymore. Buyers want specialists who understand their exact market pressures. You need to make your specific niche crystal clear within seconds of someone landing on your profile. The second shift is your content. Please drop the generic motivational quotes instead. Publish useful market-facing insights that help employers hire better. To share why senior searches stall or how salary expectations are shifting in your niche. Make your prospects want to save your posts, such as the quality of marketing intelligence you're sharing. And third, be more intentional and conversational with your outreach. If your outreach is purely transactional, it's not going to start conversations and it'll probably damage your reputation too. But if you can crack starting conversations in the DMs, your results will be transformed. These are just some quick pointers. Click the link in the description below to read our full how-to over on the Social Hire site.